Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify with your friends. It's really simple and easy. I'm going to open up the Spotify app here and I'm going to just tap on your library at the bottom, and then at the very top, I'm going to tap on that plus icon to create a new playlist, and I'm just going to rename this Friends Fun and then hit create. Now I've created this playlist. I can add different songs to it. Let's say I'm going to add few of these recommended songs to this playlist. If I want to create this playlist with friends, say for a road trip or a party or something kind of get together with a friend, all I have to do is tap on this little person plus icon here, and it says invite collaborators, links expires in 7 days, and all you have to do is choose one of these various options to send this link to the other person. So you can choose copy the link, or you can choose messages, Snapchat, stories, WhatsApp, Messenger, any of those different options to send a link to the person. And as long as they have a Spotify account and they will open it their Spotify account, they will be added as a collaborator to your playlist. So then on here you will be able to see songs that you've created and added onto this playlist, and then songs that your friends have added onto this playlist. You will both be able to collaborate, or bunch of you can collaborate on creating an awesome playlist together. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.